Hey, Techno Studs. And when I say studs, I mean both students and you are awesome. Thanks for joining me in these videos. In this module, we're gonna get into access control lists, or ACLs. When we're setting up our network, we want these devices to communicate back and forth. However, not necessarily all communication is great communication. That is, we don't want hackers to come into our network. We don't want internal threats within our network to be able to access everything. We want to start setting up safeguards and protecting the data that we have and protecting the resources we have across our network. Well, access control lists can help do that. It also serves several other functions as well. So in this module, let's get into access control lists and what those look like. Now, there actually is a lot of different types of access control lists. And the type that we're going to talk about in this module really has to deal with our Cisco equipment, configuring our Cisco equipment, which are layer 3 types of access control lists on our layer 3 devices, our layer 3 switches, our routers, and perhaps a firewall. In fact, it's most common or very common that we'd set up some sort of rules or access control list on a firewall. So I'm going to start out talking a little bit about a firewall and how a firewall works. Then we'll get into access control lists. We'll talk about a standard access control list and what a standard access control list looks like. And then I'll show you some demos of different types of implementation of these standard access control lists. Then we'll get into extended ACLs and what extended ACLs look like. And then we'll do some demos on those as well.